Would you like to go Goa again? No, I don't want to go Goa again. Our mom and dad cheated us. I think they took us some other place saying that it is Goa. Yes, it is so different from the picture what we have seen. Lied to us, saying that our motherland, Goa, is beautiful. The green fields, huge mountains, everywhere coconut trees, forest, wildlife, clean beaches, and a river. Yes, all that we could see is big houses, buildings, slums, and pollution everywhere. Even when the road have potholes and no one speak Konkani, most of the people speak Hindi. Where is that natural beauty shown to us in those pictures? Might be it was like that in mom and dad childhood days. Oh, so what do you think? Where did this beauty vanish? Who took the beauty of our motherland Goa? Guys, do